If I helped you start a part-time business and then you got to retire 2 years later, would you even send me a thank you card? I'm talking to networkers. I'm talking to the networkers who leave the crowd of watchers and make their own future happen. Check this out. There's 4 types of network marketers. Type 1, oh, they're clueless. Type 2, they're just a part-time slash amateur, networker testing the waters. And type 3, networkers who take this business seriously. And type number 4 is a networker who's all in. Tell me something. Are you all Hello, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Self-Improvement channel on YouTube. My name is 𝙁𝙼𝙌'𝙨, and I feel excited to have you here with me on today. Hope your day is going really good. This channel is a space for you to come learn, grow, and develop in various areas of life. That's whether you're looking to enhance your personal relationships, your career, your mental or physical health, or just seeking overall self-improvement. This niche has got you covered. So here you'll find a wide range of content sharing, just personal experiences, lots of tips, strategies, and things to help you become the best version of yourself. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-improvement together. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel today. Hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. So I got a question. Do you have concerns about network marketing and the affiliate marketing products and promoting and sharing them at the same time? Because in today's digital age, network marketing and affiliate marketing have become popular ways for people to make money online. Basically what it is having multiple streams of income is a really smart move in today's uncertain times. Because you don't want to rely on one source of income. You want to create backup plans and really create that future's financial security. Both of these marketing strategies, they do offer a unique opportunity to promote products and services, and you'll get to earn a commission while you're doing it. So while network marketing and affiliate marketing are different, they can work well together to help you promote, good products and earn a really steady income. Or you can replace your current income. So in this video, we're going to explore how you can promote network marketing and affiliate marketing products simultaneously at the same time. First, let's take a closer look at, what network marketing and affiliate marketing actually are. So network marketing is also known as multi-level marketing. It's a business model where a company actually sells products through a network of distributors. Okay, these distributors will then earn commissions for the sales that they generate, as well as for the sales that are made by the people that they recruit into the network, which is really called like a downline, okay? Or it's basically your marketing team. Now, on the other hand, in affiliate marketing, it's really like a performance-based type of strategy where you can earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service using a unique link that they provide. So basically, the affiliate promotes the product or the service through their own channels, such as through blogs, social media, email marketing, if you have a website, etc. Okay, so now that we, have a brief understanding of what network marketing and affiliate marketing are, and trust me, that's real brief. Okay, let's go ahead and explore how you can actually promote these products from both strategies at the same time. So basically, what you want to do is you want to use the products yourself. That's very important. So the first step in promoting network marketing and also affiliate marketing products at the same time, you want to know the products, identify the products that complement each other well. For example, like say if you're promoting health and wellness products through some type of network marketing company, you can also promote related products as an affiliate. Like you can promote fitness equipment, supplements, workout clothing, something that complements that. You can promote even a marketing product that other entrepreneurs may even find pretty attractive or useful, like maybe a digital marketing or lead generation system. And then you want to leverage social media, because social media is really a powerful tool for promoting both network marketing and affiliate marketing products. Okay, you can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's YouTube. You can share great information about your products that you're promoting, as well as you can, help build relationships with your audience and stuff and have them get to know you. And when you're promoting, your network marketing products, you can use the social media to showcase the actual benefits of the products. You can share the testimonials from satisfied customers, give them the results they'll get from using the product by being a product of the product. so that you're able to give them honest feedback and honest reviews. And you can also use social media to recruit new people, new distributors into your network, which will actually get you fast track bonuses very, very quickly. Okay, so when you're promoting the affiliate products, you can use social media to create content that highlights the features and, like I said, the benefits of those products. Okay, you can also create product reviews and comparison posts to help your audience make really informed purchasing decisions about those products. What you really want to do is you want to learn how to create good content that educates and entertains. Content marketing is really a great way to promote network marketing and affiliate marketing products simultaneously, because people are looking for good products. And by creating that content that educates and entertains your audience, what you're going to do is build trust, and you're going to build that credibility, and you're going to offer those products in a really subtle way, so it's not like you're selling. And when you're sharing your network marketing products, you can create video demonstrations that explains the value, like I said, the results they'll get from the use of your products. You can share the success stories, you can provide training, you can support your team in many, many ways, through Zoom calls and stuff like that. You can host giveaways and contests on social media platforms to actually, attract more potential customers. You want to offer free samples or discounts to those who are participating, okay? You also want to partner up with some social media influencers in your niche to also get your products out there. Influencers can share their experiences with your products too, and you want to encourage their followers to try them out. You know what I'm saying? So it's really, you want to host live events on social media platforms such as a Facebook or Instagram Live to showcase your products. You'll be able to answer questions in real time. Create a group or a page on social media, and share like really exclusive content. You can offer promotions, encourage members to share their experiences with your products in the group for everyone to see. The real key to promoting network marketing products on social media is really to provide value. And then you'll build relationships, and then it's going to establish trust with your audience, okay? Now, when you're promoting the affiliate products, you can actually create content as well that actually reviews the details of the product. You want to provide the tutorials on how to use it, share your personal experience with the product. That's really important. Make sure you are using it yourself. You can build an email list. That's the goal of it. Email marketing is a really effective way to promote both network marketing, affiliate marketing products, or any type of business. Because when you build an email list, you can actually stay in touch with your audience in great ways and promote your offers and deals on a regular basis through email. Okay, and also, like when you're promoting your network marketing products, you can use the email marketing to share their birthdays, information about new launches, your upcoming events, your training and support resources, any trips, rewards, many, many things for your team members to learn from. Okay, and when you're promoting these affiliate products, you can use the email marketing to send product recommendations like new levels and ranks, how to level up, how it will benefit them to advance to the next level. Promote the sales and special offers, and you want to share, your latest blog posts, your content if you have a website or a blog site. Okay, digital marketing products can be incredibly helpful when it comes to promoting like multi-level marketing products, which is MLM. So, and in case you didn't know, MLM is a business model that actually involves recruiting a network of distributors who then sell their products directly to their own consumers. This usually is through word of mouth. Okay, digital marketing can be used to help expand your network and generate leads beyond infinity and increase your sales over time. So here are some ways a digital marketing product can actually help you with your MLM products. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do the social media marketing, like I said, and one of the most effective ways to promote MLM products is through all the social media sites that you're already signed up with. A digital marketing product like a marketing system or a funnel, they'll provide you with tools and resources that actually help you optimize your social media profile, get more followers, create engaging content. You're going to help your following build. You'll build a following. Like a digital marketing product can help create targeted campaigns that will promote your products and encourage people to sign up and even sign up as a distributor. So you can use email marketing to keep your network informed about new products, about new promotions, any events that they need to know about. You also want to use search engine optimization, SEO. That's like the process of optimizing your website and getting it seen and ranked higher in the search engine. So when people type in stuff that they'll get your site. Okay, a digital marketing product can provide you with different tools and resources to help you improve your search engine optimization so you get more traffic to your site. Now this can be particularly useful for promoting network marketing products because you can create that content that targets specific keywords and phrases that are actually related to that particular product. Okay, then you got the paid advertising. Paid advertising is really more like a quick a quicker and effective way to reach a larger audience globally, and on a quicker level. When it comes to digital marketing products, it really just can help you create and manage targeted ad campaigns on Facebook, like the Google ads. You can even do it on LinkedIn. And with paid advertising, you can reach potential customers and distributors who may not even have found your products through organic search or social media, and it's more on a global scale, okay? So in summary, a digital marketing product can help you with your network marketing products by providing you with all the tools and all the resources that you need to expand. You'll generate leads through this type of marketing and increase your sales over time. Sometimes it happens right away, sometimes it doesn't. But whether you're just getting started with marketing or looking to take your business to the next level, if you're already in, digital marketing can be a really, really valuable asset in your marketing toolkit. Okay, promoting network marketing and affiliate marketing products, it can be done. It's a really, really great way to diversify your income streams, and just basically, like I said, you want to reach as many people as possible. You want to identify complementary products that leverage social media and create educational and entertaining content around those products and build your email list. And you can effectively promote both types of products and start to earn a steady income online where you'll eventually be able to quit your job. So if you want to really grow a valuable business, we need to invest time and money into making it work. And so what that means is feeding our brains with new skills and practicing what we actually learn. Either way it goes, all this is really skills at the end of the day, and they have to be learned if you want to grow. You can't depend on a sponsor, you can't depend on your upline, you can't depend on your company, etc. You have to do the work. You have to lead by personal example. And lastly, you have to be serious. You want to be serious. You don't want to treat it like it's a joke, but you do want to have fun while you're doing it, if that makes sense. So you have to go where people are. You have to use social media, which is where people are. Invest in a coach or invest in a mentor if you have to. Do all kind of research. And don't treat your friends like crap. You want to be consistent and focus on your goals. Focus on the goal to aim higher, and always focus on accomplishing all the things that need to be done. Because as you grow and as you develop as a person, you're going to become more capable and more confident. So you have to train yourself to stop dwelling and stop focusing on the things that really keep you down. A lot of us do it. So you have to expect more from yourself instead of from others, okay? That's really how it goes. I think you get the idea. As a business person, you must dive headfirst into self-development. I don't care what anybody says. You have to do the self-development training. You have to become a better you inside. So if you're on the fence about MLM, I definitely recommend giving it a try. You never know, what awesome products you might discover. You never know. Just keep in mind, the main difference between the two is that MLM basically relies heavily on recruiting others to join the business, while affiliate marketers are really, they're not responsible for the products or the shipping unless you provide them, like with exclusive access to the members area and stuff like that. You have to process it yourself. But MLM relies heavily on recruiting others to join the business, and they usually have a progressive or binary compensation plan, which we'll get into that in a whole nother time. Okay. Now, drop shipping, on the other hand, is a retail fulfillment type of method where the promoter does the necessary to keep the products in stock. You don't have to do all that. You just make sure they get shipped. Instead, the products are purchased like from a third-party supplier who ships them directly to the customer for you. Okay. So I hope this cleared up your questions. Our network marketing business can be the biggest financial asset in your life. So let's do everything we can to take advantage of this opportunity now while we can. Think about it. So thank you for watching this video, okay? I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you found it informative, or at least thought-provoking, okay? Your support really, really means the world to me, and we appreciate every single view on here, okay? We strive to provide high quality and engaging videos on a regular basis that are informative. Now, if you haven't already, I just want to encourage you to watch the entire video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases, okay? And if you found this content helpful, or if you even know someone who needs a side hustle, they really are tired of working a 9-to-5 and they want to transition, please share this video with them, okay? Once again, thank you for your time. I want you to stay curious, stay inspired, and stay motivated. I will see you in the next video. I will be doing more information about the business of network marketing and affiliate marketing and how you can take advantage of this opportunity. and we'll get more into how you are compensated. Okay? All right, don't forget to read the disclaimer in the description box. And until next time, love and peace. Stay safe. Bye.